Banking and financial services have evolved drastically. Nowadays, the leading trends, in my opinion, is open banking, embedded finance, artificial intelligence, cloud. In digital world, customer experience is sitting at the core because customer want good experience on all the services they are using. Another challenge for banks is to provide these services in a secure manner. And besides this, compliance and frauds are also evolving. These disruptive technologies are also helping in combating with these things. Open banking, I would say, has revolutionized the payment industry, the payment aggregator industry, because now different entities are exchanging data in quick and efficient manner. In Western part of the world, open banking has been there since a while and it's delivering value to the market. Even in our part of the world, we are moving towards this direction. Regulators are bringing new regulation to not only enable open banking but also protect the information flow. It is helping the organization to scale their services. Artificial intelligence, I would say, playing a vital role in digital transactions because digital transactions are coming on scale. So it's practically impossible to manage these transactions manually, which can manage the risk of fraud, money laundering and security. Few of the challenges also resides when we are onboarding the customer. So globally, banks are moving towards quick decisioning while taking a credit decision. Over there, again, generative AI kind of technologies and KYC, digital KYC is helping banks to quickly evaluate a customer and take a financial decision in favor or against the customer, based on obviously the credit score generated by the AI engines. Some other use cases of artificial intelligence are risk management, compliance, fraud management, anti-money laundering. In these spaces, artificial intelligence is delivering value to the banks, and again, it's helping the digital transformation. Fintechs and new banks bring lots of innovation to the market because they are lean organization, they are agile in nature. My opinion is it's not a competing thing, it's a complementing thing because fintechs and new banks are creating their own space. These new banks and fintechs will complement the existing bank, and by taking the collaborative strategy, we can deliver value to the customer, scale the banking services to the people who are unbanked. In our part of the world, hardly 15% population is banked and hardly 6% of the people have credit history. Based on that, banks are taking decisions. With the introduction of these fintech who are bringing lots of value and targeted the specific segment, it has created a wonderful opportunity for embedded finance where we can use the data points residing with the fintechs and take the credit decisions quickly. So with collaboration with fintech, banks are on the path of providing embedded finance. Number one, it's quick, it's low cost, and you can exercise controls. Because in financing, there are two things are important. That number one, the person to whom I am making financing, is he has the ability to repay? On the other side, I also need control, that what if someone doesn't pay, what control I can exercise. So I think these embedded finance will bring this value by collaborating with the fintechs, and banks can scale their transaction. Banks can reach to some other segment of the society and can give financing to them.